Whether you're looking to consult a specialist, book a scheduled appointment, or get quick medical advice for everyday health concerns, Medicas is here to make healthcare simple and accessible. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to sign up on Medicas and start managing your health in just a few easy steps. Start by typing www.medicasapp.com into your browser. On the home page, at the top left, you'll see an option to select your country and city. Choose the appropriate location. If your city isn't listed, you can leave it blank. Next, click the Sign Up button at the top right to begin your registration. If you've already registered, simply click Login and follow the on-screen instructions. On the Sign Up page, enter your mobile number, type the CAPTCHA, and click Get OTP. You'll receive a one-time password, OTP, on your phone. Enter the OTP to verify your number. Then, choose your registration type. Select Patient from the list of options. Fill in your name, email ID, and date of birth, and click Next. Create a secure 4-digit mPIN to easily access your account on any device. Check the box to enable two-factor authentication, and click Done to confirm. Once you have completed the registration, your Medicas account is ready to use. Here's what you can do. From the home page, you can browse medical specialties and book an appointment with a doctor of your choice. Or click Instant Video Consult to quickly speak with a doctor available online. In the top right corner of your profile, you can update your details such as name, email, date of birth, and address. Add family members to your profile, perfect for managing care for your children, spouse, or parents. You can also view upcoming appointments. Check your consultation and order history. Access your prescriptions and reports. And manage all your healthcare needs in one place. Need help? Medicas is designed to be simple and intuitive, but if you need support, we're always here for you. Email us at info@medicasapp.com, and our team will assist you with registration, booking, or anything else quickly and hassle-free. You can also use the Help or WhatsApp option on the site to connect with us. We are available 24/7 for your service.